Rabotai, Erev Shabbat Shalom, this coming Shabbat is one of the 3 times during the year that we read Aseret HaDiberot in the Tzibur. There's different minhagim throughout Am Yisrael about what the Kahal does during Aseret HaDiberot. Some stand for the Aseret HaDiberot as a show of kavod, respect, reverence, and some sit. Minhag HaSfaradim, Maran Zechron Bracha writes in several places, in Yom Dat as well as in Chazon Ovadia, Yom Tov, he says that it is more appropriate, based on Shuvat Rambam, to remain seated for Aseret HaDiberot, as Minhag HaSfaradim throughout all Kriyat Torah is to always be sitting. So you continue to sit for Aseret HaDiberot to show that there's no difference between the Aseret HaDiberot and the rest of the Torah. There's no special significance of them over the rest of the Torah. The whole Torah is equal. Because of that, he says that it's preferable if the Aliyah is regular for everybody to stay seated. Now, obviously, if a person finds himself in a different shul this coming Shabbat, where the minhag is to stand, either by Ashkenazim or by Sfaradim who have such a minhag to stand, there's a halacha in Masechet Derech Eretz Rabbah, Le'olam lo yadam yoshev ben ha'omdim ve'omed ben ha'yoshvim, which means that a person should not be different than the tzibur. You shouldn't stick out like a sore thumb. So if the whole tzibur is standing, so you should stand as well. Which, however, in order to make it a little bit easier, a person should be standing from the beginning of the Aliyah. This week, the Aseret HaDiberot is Aliyat Shishi. So stand, it doesn't start all the way at the beginning of the Aliyah. Remain standing from the beginning of the Aliyah, and then when Aseret HaDiberot come, you'll continue to remain standing. Now, what's better is, what many people do is, that by Aseret HaDiberot, in order to be Yotzei all opinions, they honor, they're mechabed, the Rav, the Marad Atra, Rosh HaYeshiva, whoever it is, to get this Aliyah, and then the whole Tzibur stands for it anyway during this Aliyah, and they remain standing for the Aseret HaDiberot, in which case it's not noticeable that you're standing for the Aseret HaDiberot, and you can remain standing in that way also. However, in any event, it's not something that should be made a machloket, either which way, either which minhag is Yisodatam, Harei Kodesh. Just the main point, the Ikar is like the Rambam says, preferably not to show any special significance to the Aseret HaDiberot over the rest of the Torah, as the Minim and the Kofrim used to do in years gone by. That's with regards to that. Just a reminder, this evening, Bezat Hashem Mincha and Kabbalat Shabbat in Arvit is at 5 p.m. Public service announcement is that beginning from next week, unfortunately, we won't be catching the nets anymore, so beginning from Sunday, we'll go back to regular schedule at 7 a.m., meaning 7:10 is Hodu, and the rest of the week is 6:30 Korbanot and 6:40 Hodu. That's that. Shabbat Shalom.